Guys, what's up? My name is Satyam and this is the PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you about the variable in the PHP. Generally, we know in the C that how we are going to declare the variable. If you want to declare any variable in the C or Java and something like that, then we have to predefine it. Which type of variable you are going to declare, but it doesn't happen in the PHP. So if you are going to declare in integer, then you can simply write int x equal to 5, float something equal to something, but it doesn't happen in the PHP because when we will declare anything in the PHP, then it will be commonly understood by the PHP, but you have to not define that the which type of variable you are going to declare in the PHP. Okay, let us see, and I'm going let us see a simple example how it will declare. So the rules of variable, okay, let us see it. Okay, the PHP variable. A variable start with the $sign and followed by the name of variable. Suppose you want to write the x equal to 5, and before x you have to use $sign, then x, then what equal to you have to declare, then that would be in generally see you declare like that the x equal to 5, but in the PHP it would be $sign x, after that you have to use equal to 5. That is called the PHP variables. A variable name must start with letters or the underscore character. Okay, it simply means that if you want to say that the triangle equal to 5, then you have to use here we are using the letters, and we can use the underscore character, but we doesn't use the numbers, any numbers. We can't start when we are going to declare any variable with the number. So here our third point is a variable name can't start with the number. So I already told you a variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and the underscore. Here a to z 0 to 9 and underscore, not you can't do star hash and something like that. Okay, so if suppose you are going to declare x5 x6, so you have to use the $sign and x5, then update which variable you want to declare, you can declare. So our third point is variable name are the case sensitive. Here so that the $sign in the small y and $sign in capital Y, they are two different variable. It's not singular, it's two different variable. I hope there is no problem when you are going to declare the variable. So I'm going to see I'm going to demonstrate a very tiny little program so that you understand it very well. So let us start it. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to declare about the simple program of the PHP. So I hope, and these two things you can understand very well, because I am not going to do it again and again. Not PHP, sorry, PHP. Oops. Okay, so I told you we are going to use to, sorry, and I'm going to x. So I'm going to define x equal to 5. Okay, and our next video I'm going to for the y. Okay, so whatever I'm going for the 4. Okay, so our next one would when 5 and 4 would be added, then there should be another variable. I'm going defining that variable z. So when we would add dollar of x and y, then it will be z. Okay, so I'm going for edit. Okay, okay, and we have to use here the semicolon, and we will use the echo word. Okay, so echo word, you should know that it's not case sensitive things. So here dollar sign, and we have to use the checked. I hope it would work. Let us see it, save it, and 5 and 4 equal to 9. So let us run it. I don't know. Wait, we can wait 1 second. And there may be any error. Let us see it. Whichever error we have occurred here. Okay, oops. Here we have to do this, and again we have to use this, and let us save it, and then let us compile it. Yeah, now it's working. We are not using the semicolon, that's why we are getting that error. So at this time, and we use that semicolon, and so we got it. So here, if I'm going to demonstrate it 2, and again I'm save it, say type plus. So 5 plus 2 would be 7. So again go here, and this, so that's 7. It shows that this program is working very well. So I hope you guys would understand it very well, and if you are getting any problem, you can message me on social media. Even if you can comment at this video, comment below this video, so that I will tell you what will its exact answer and which topic you want to cover with me. I will cover every topic. Only you have to suggest me. I hope you will like it, and please subscribe it.